Life on the road is a whirlwind of familiar commutes, breathtaking highways, and maybe even the occasional pit stop for impromptu ice cream. But amidst the everyday hum of driving, a nagging thought can sometimes creep in. What if something goes wrong? Fear not, fellow commuters. Nestled within your trusty Pixel phone lies a guardian angel waiting to take flight. Car crash detection. This superhero feature can automatically sniff out a serious accident and spring into action, ensuring help is just a dial away. Setting up car crash detection on your Pixel phone is a breeze, and it might just be the one feature that could make a significant difference in an emergency. Follow these simple steps to activate this safety net. Begin by unlocking your Pixel phone and locating the Personal Safety app. Once in the app, tap on the Features option. This is where the magic begins. Scroll through the features until you find the Car Crash Detection option and press on Setup button. Hit the Setup button to commence the process. When asked to share your location, tap Allow while app is still in use. When asked to share your microphone and physical activity, tap Allow. Behind the scenes, it's a marvel of artificial intelligence that makes car crash detection on Pixel phones so effective. Before we get to that, if you find this video helpful in any way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as it really motivates us to keep making such content. Ensign Wei, Google's lead engineer for car crash detection, reveals that the AI is trained on a mix of real and simulated car crashes. This cutting-edge technology is part of the activity recognition feature on Pixel, ensuring that the system can accurately identify when a crash has occurred. To function optimally, car crash detection requires three essential permissions: location, physical activity, and microphone access. These permissions are the gears turning in the background, ready to spring into action when the unexpected unfolds. In the event of a crash, your Pixel phone acts swiftly. Not only detects the crash, but also offers you the option to call 911 or your country's emergency service number. In situations where you might be incapacitated, Pixel takes the reins, automatically contacting emergency services and providing them with your precise location. We have more such videos on our YouTube channel, so be sure to check them out as well and follow us for more. Thank you for watching.